Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to turn on or off the always on display on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So let's begin the video. So if you want to enable the always on display, start by opening the setting app. And then in settings, you want to scroll down and select the lock screen and AOD. And from here, you should see always on display. So just tap on it and then tap on the toggle at the top to turn it on. Once your always on is enabled, you can then notice that whenever your phone is switched off, you should see the always on display appearing based on how you have set it up to enable. So for example, you come to these options when you show and select it because it's currently set to always. It means that whenever your phone is switched off, the always on display is always available for you at the glance. But if you want to change it so that it tap to show, in order for you to save battery life, then when the phone is turned off, you just need to tap on the screen once and the always on display will appear. You can always choose to set it to auto or as scheduled, or for any new notification, the always on display will appear. So it's completely up to you to decide which option you prefer to use when it comes to always on display. Bear in mind that some options will drain the battery life of your phone, such as always. So just choose the one that will ensure that you prefer it more than the others. You have the option to show the now bar, which will just give you daily updates all from the comfort of your screen. So you can choose to enable or disable it and all sorts of things here. Now when you are happy with how you are always on display is going to turn out, you can just close your phone and based on your setting, wait for it to appear. And then if you are happy, you can just continue using your device. So guys, that is basically how you can enable the always on display on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.